Hey y'all, this is Caleb with Kingdom Horse Trailers here in Henderson, North Carolina. And today I'm gonna bring you on a walkthrough video of this brand new 2026 Shadow 3-horse Slant. And this is the Eventer. So let's take a walk through, look at this brand new trailer here. Starting up front, you've got your normal connections here. Hydraulic jack with a spare, battery box. Coming on the passenger side of this trailer, you do have a sliding window at the neck. This window here is also a slider, and it is in your tack room area. Generator hookup there on the side. Moving down, so you've got your kick side drop feed window, and I'll show you on the other side what the drop down window will look like. But this one does have a slider on both sides, so if you didn't want to drop it all the way down, you could slide one or both sides, still get some ventilation through. Looking at the rear door, you do have a slider on that door as well. Moving around to the back of the trailer, this one does have a rear tack area. It's got a load light up there on the right side. It does have the swinging saddle rack along with bridle hooks, and this wall is fully collapsible, so if you wanted to make extra room, you could. Moving into the horse area, fully insulated, roof vents, lights up above, padded dividers, and this one is going to have an aluminum flooring under the mats. Slam latches, one hand, very easy, and then we also have stud divider on that last divider there. And this one does have an escape door and a door leading into your tack room area. Moving on to the driver's side, this one does have a awesome awning, and it is electric. So here's the drop feed windows. On the left side is just if you drop the window. On the right side is if you drop the window and the bars. So all drop feed windows have this style here where you can have the bars up or the bars down. Now look at that escape door from the outside, and it does have a drop window on it as well. And there is a running board step there for you to step up into the horse area or in the tack room. It does come with the power cord there. That's what's in that brush box. Very nice, spacious tack room on this one. Carpeted wall and neck there. And there are those slider windows. And of course, this one, being the Eventer, does have a air-conditioned unit in the tack room. That rear tack area, the saddle rack is removable, and you can move it up front. Here's the right here and right here. That's where it'll sit. So if you wanted it up here instead of in the back, you could move it. And here's one last look at that trailer from the driver's side. This is available now. It is 19 foot long on the floor, 7'6" tall, 6'9" wide. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call at 443-528-3600. 3559. We do offer financing and nationwide delivery straight to your doorstep. So we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.